Hey guys, welcome back with another video. In today's video, we're gonna be playing Blade Bowl. Sorry that I haven't been posting a lot because adopt me. Yeah, I was in school. There was like a lot of tests. Then my phone broke. Now I'm recording on my other phone. So yeah. Um. Okay, there's a Halloween update here. Okay, if you guys don't know Blade Bowl, it was a recent created game. I do play it a lot. I'm also been playing Murder Mystery 2 content. Oh my, dude, that's crazy. But are they camping? Yep, there's two campers up there. Oh, that is crazy. Okay. So we're gonna be doing today Truth or Dare in Blade. Well, I mean, no. Yeah, Truth or Dare, but it's only gonna be dares, okay, guys? No truth. I have a list of tasks that I'm gonna be doing today. Yeah, I'm dead. Yep, what did I tell you? Okay, anyways. So we're gonna be doing today new tasks if you guys don't know the Halloween update, there's free rewards and you can get free rewards. There's the witch shop, you can like get a lot of coins, crates, and something else. I don't know. I haven't played this game in the a lot of times, but yeah. We also have a battle pass, but yeah, I'm almost done. I'm level 19 right now, but yeah, there's spinning wheel right here. I'm not spending any Robux. If you join their group, you can create. This is gonna expire in like 23 hours. But as if I'm recording this video on November 3rd, I'm saying, I don't know when this video is gonna be out. This is like collect 3 Halloween spins for an item. It's for a phantom. Nevertheless, site was like 200 Robux, I believe. Yep. Oh my god, damn. This is server, what is this? Oh, there's 50 player limited mode, there is training mode, voice chat mode. Okay, we can join this. We can join all of them. But yeah. Okay, so the first there is, we are gonna be playing with no shift lock. Okay, wait. Alright, yeah, I'm recording it again. Okay, we're gonna be playing with no shift lock, guys. Oh, great. Oh my god. Dude. Oh my. I can't. Oh, I got killed. Oh, alright. No, please. I'm so used to play on shift lock because like I can't. Also, we cannot use infinity. I have the power on. Oh my god, dude, I can't play without shift lock, dude. I'm so used to playing with shift lock. And I wish like there was like shift lock in like mobiles, like in Adopt Me, Murder Mystery 2. But yeah, I'm saying I didn't quit in Adopt Me yet, but like I'm playing. I don't know. We're gonna be trying and winning as shift lock player, guys. I mean, no shift lock player. Sorry. Okay, this is crazy. I can't. I just can't. Yo, let me use shift lock, please. I just wanna win. Oh, it's standoff. Alright. But if the balls come to me, nah. Wait, this kind of stuff. Okay, don't come to me, please. Oh my god. How many players are there? Yo, I have to win this. Come on, you got this. Now. Oh, let's go. We won. Woohoo. W. GG's first round, and we won. Alright, I'll be back when the other round starts. And now the voting is done, and now we're gonna be playing with shift lock. Okay, finally. Okay, we're gonna be playing with shift lock this round, so yeah. Alright, let's play with shift lock. I'm much better with shift lock, not gonna lie. No, please. Okay. Also, if you guys are wondering, this knife is like I don't know what is it called. I'll see the name. I forgot the name. Also, I'm gonna be doing an inventory reveal soon. Okay, wait. How can you get up there? Can you? Oh, okay. We can also use infinity this round. Okay. Yeah, I can use infinity this round. Oh no. Oh, okay, good. Because I thought I was gonna be out. Oh, okay, nah. Okay, we ain't doing this now. Oh, good. Okay. I survived, guys. I survived. I cannot use auto clicker. I wish I could because like I'm on mobile right now. So okay, that's kind of crazy. Okay. I'm like on the top 5. I don't know how many players am I. My hands are sweating IRL right now. I'm not even joking, guys. Bro. Yeah, I'm using infinity. I mean invisibility. What am I saying? Why am I saying infinity, bro? Okay. Yeah, you guys come 1v1, yeah. Come on! No, stop using auto clicker. Okay, finally. Oh god, here we go. Dude, nah, I should have used... Yeah, this make me on the final 3, bro. Yo, I think I'm gonna be dead this round. Oh, it's standoff. Okay, here we go. Oh, I'm dead. Oh, yep, GG's. Okay, GG's. Yeah, I can't on mobile. Well, at least we got second place, so yeah. We made it on second place. I'll be back when the other round starts. This round is playing with no power, you know, ability. It's like only like dash. So yeah, guys. Yeah, I won't be able to play with any. Yeah, I put it no ability. So yeah, I don't have any ability. I have like 4 abilities: dash, blocks, super jump, and like invisibility, I think. We don't have invisibility. So yeah, I'm dead. I don't know, that people that stun, I think they're on like peace or something, so yeah. Okay, yeah. I think, no, it's not on me. Okay, I'm dead. Oh, is it down to the final 4 already? What? Oh, it's final 3 already? Oh, nah. Is it? No, it's not. Oh, I think it is. Oh, here we go again. Stand up. Oh, God. Let me win this, bro. Come on. Bro, why is he using... Oh, bro, okay, GG's. I lost to the same person again. Yeah, it's alright, guys. He was using auto clicker, so yeah. Yeah, okay. We're gonna see what's the next challenge. I was just playing like a normal round, and yeah, I got 695 coins, and we're also gonna be playing, purchasing this new create. I already have 2 of them. Okay, I'm gonna do a reel. So this is my inventory. I started playing like last month, Blade Bolt. So we have the demo blade. It's like this. It's one of the box. It's like the 39% box. This one. Then we have the blood eyes. I don't know how you call it. Blood Gazer's Edge. Oh, okay. Gazers. I don't know how you spell it. Yeah, something like this. I mean, yeah. Then we got this 1 billion sword right here. I have this 1 billion sword. Oh, my bad. Hold up. I didn't totally get Then we have this unique women sword. I don't really use this, but yeah. I'm not gonna be clicking on the counter, guys, because it's gonna do a counter reveal. I will do a counter reveal when I'm at 500 subscribers, okay, guys? I'm gonna be doing this pumpkin pie blade. I also have this as a unique, but so far, and I have this holy sword that I got. Yeah. Okay, stand up finally. Okay, we're gonna be using the blooders. I don't know how you spell this name. Bald Gazer? I don't know how you spell it. Okay, yeah, let's just play. Oh my god. Yeah, okay, never mind. If you guys don't know Natalie, it's, yeah, never mind. Alright, let's just play the classic mode. I'll be back. Okay, guys, so I have a good dare for this one. We're just gonna be playing this one as, like, we're gonna be getting up here. Can we even get up here? Bruh, hold up. Let me get up here, hold up. Alright. We're just gonna be standing here and doing the headless tricks demo. If you guys don't know, it's from the Halloween section. Hold up. We're just gonna be playing like this, okay? Oh god, this is crazy. Oh no, this is kind of creepy. Alright. We're just gonna be using this emote. Oh, he's no, he's camping. Yeah, oh, I died. Great. If you guys don't know where's that headless tricks from, I think it's, yo, hold up, we're gonna be purchasing, hold up. Okay, wait, we're going into a witch's shop. We're gonna be getting 1,000 coins. Now I have 1,695. You guys know what time it is. Or you know what? We're gonna be saving. I have only one more task to do. So we're gonna be doing that task. Then we're gonna be opening our Halloween create. So yeah, okay, guys, just wait, okay? You guys, we're just Just gonna be playing final round. I was just waiting for the map to record. I was like gonna do the last circle to leave, but yeah, that's I'm gonna save for another video. So yeah, guys, we're just gonna be playing this final round and opening the final create. I mean the Halloween create. Auto clickers, be like. Yep, here we go. Oh, never mind. Okay, good. Nope, it's not a free kill. Sad. Oh, yo, I died. Okay, it's alright. It's alright. Look even in the chat. Auto clicker for real. Okay. Okay, guys, we're gonna be opening the Halloween create. Let's see what we get. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Wish me luck, guys. Come on. Oh, we got the staff of the what? What's that? No way! Yo, hold up. We did not just get that. We did not just get the legend. Oh, no. Hold up. Oh, no way! Yo, we just got the 1%. No way. Yo, guys, for like first video and we got the no way. Yo, you guys, thank you so much. This is for all of you guys. Look at this. We just got this new staff. Yo, this is crazy. What is our luck? It's like only like 1%. That's crazy. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe. I love you guys and see you guys in the next video. Bye.